My dear students, welcome to my channel. In my YouTube channel, I generally make video on the topic of teaching English, especially for grade 11. Today, I am going to present you a video on the course Optional English of grade 11. Okay, today I am going to give you introduction to Unit 2 of course Optional English, or you can say it Major English of grade 11 according to the new course. Okay, this is a new course. Don't get confused with old course. This is a new course, and in new course, in Unit 2, there is an introduction to language and linguistics. The Unit 2 topic name is an introduction to language and linguistics, and the very first part of this unit I am going to describe here. Okay, let's get started. Optional English or Major English of grade 11 according to new course, and Unit 2 is basic features of language. Okay, let's have on a short look on it. Okay, here course Optional English new course grade 11 course of study for Optional English. Okay, Optional English मा के पढ्नु पर्छ भनेर यहाँ सो हेल्प को लागि देखाइदिएको छु. Unit 1 there is historical survey of English language and literature. In Unit 2 an introduction to language and linguistics. In Unit 3 prose. Under prose there is fiction, non-fiction, and it includes 10 stories, 10 essays, and 1 novel. In Unit 4 there is poetry. Here you have to read 12 poems, and in Unit 5 there is drama, and under this unit you have to study 3 connect plays. Okay, let's talk about our topic, that is Unit 2. Okay, Unit 2 an introduction to language and linguistics. An introduction to language and linguistics is the second unit, and they are going to talk about features or characteristics of language. That is the very first lesson of Unit 2. And before starting this topic, let me tell you something. Okay, there is a word linguistic and linguistics. They are frequently used in this topic, and don't get confused, because linguistic or linguistic is the adjective form of language, and next word linguistics is the scientific study of the language. Look, there are two words references. In one word there is S, in another word there is S, no S. Okay, let's continue our topic. Unit 2. Slide number 5. Basic features of language. Okay, features are, you can say, characteristics. Okay, you have to know the basic feature or characteristics of language, and before knowing that, there is short introduction of language. Okay, language is a means of communication. All know language is a means of communication. It is the medium of exchanging thought, idea, opinion, etc. It is the conventional use of vocal sounds in human society. And language is a purely human and non-instinctive method of getting ideas, emotions, and desires by means of a system of voluntarily produced symbols. Okay, in this topic you may have some questions. Okay, के कुरा बुझेको हुन सक्छ. यो मिडियम अफ कम्युनिकेसन भयो. यो थट, आइडिया, अरु फिलिङलाई कम्युनिकेट गर्ने माध्यम हो। अनि यसमा एउटा कुरा छ नि, प्योरली ह्युमन मिन्स इट इज युज्ड बाई ह्युमन बिइङ ओन्ली, नट बाई अदर एनिमल्स। एन्ड इन्स्टिङटिभ, इट इज ल्याङ्ग्वेज इज नन इन्स्टिङटिभ। इन्स्टिङ भनेको चाहिँ के हो भने हेरेडिटरी कुराहरू जो पितृ गुणबाट सरेर आउँछ। फर इक्जाम्पल, कुकुरले भुक्ने, चराले चिरचिर गर्ने आवाजहरू जुन छन् नि त्यो इन्स्टिङटिभ हुन्। के हुन्छ? पितृ गुण अब प्यारेन्ट्सबाट सरेको गुण हुन्छ। र ल्याङ्ग्वेज चाहिँ त्यस्तो होइन। ल्याङ्ग्वेज प्यारेन्टले जे गर्यो हेरिडिटरी जन्मजात आएको होइन। ल्याङ्ग्वेज भनेको के हो भने पछि सिक्ने कुरा हो। जस्तो समाजमा राख्यो, जस्तो सोसाइटीमा राख्यो, त्यस्तै किसिमको ल्याङ्ग्वेज उसले सिक्छ। अमेरिका बेलायततिर भयो भने इङ्ग्लिस सिक्छ, नेपालमा भयो भने नेपाली सिक्छ। ओके, let's have another slide. Okay, it is a system of arbitrary vocal symbols which permit all people in a given culture or other people have learned the system of that culture to communicate or to interact. Okay, कल्चर र सोसाइटी अनुसार तो भोकल सिम्बलहरू हुन्छ सोसाइटीमा। सोसाइटी पछि के हुन सक्छ? ल्याङ्ग्वेज फरक हुन सक्छ। चाइनिज सोसाइटी, इन्डियन सोसाइटी, केन्यन सोसाइटी, अफ्रिकन सोसाइटी हुन्छ, ल्याङ्ग्वेजहरू के हुन सक्छ? अलग अलग हुन सक्छ। कुकुरले भुकेको जस्तो एउटै होइन। कुकुरले अमेरिकामा पनि त्यही भुक्ने हो, चाइनामा पनि त्यही भुक्ने हो। त्यस्तै किसिमले चरा पनि अमेरिकामा जस्तो कराउँछ, चाइनामा पनि त्यस्तै कराउँछ। लिएर गइयो भने त्यसको डिफरेन्स हुँदैन, किनभने त्यसले सिक्ने कुरा होइन, त्यसले जन्मजातै लिएर आउने गुण हो। ओके, according to Oxford Advanced Learners Dictionary, language is a system of sounds, words, phrases, etc. used by humans to communicate thought and feeling. So that we cannot think of any social, academic, and artistic activities going on without language. बिना language त कुरा सोच्न पनि गाह्रो हुन्छ। It is perhaps the most significant asset of human life. It is a structured system of conventional, arbitrary speech symbols used voluntarily as a shared means of communicating ideas, opinions, feelings, desire, thought, and emotion between or among the people. In short, language can be defined as an arbitrary, voluntary vocal system of human communication. Let's talk about the features or characteristics of language. Okay, point wise. In number A, language is vocal. Language is vocal communication, vocal system of communication. Each language has a special vocal sound which is expressed through our mouth. The written symbol may not be the perfect imitation of the spoken sound. Therefore, it can be said that speech is the primary manifestation of the language. Language लाई मुख्य गरी भोकल सिस्टम को रूपमा हेरिएको छ। यसलाई ओरल साउन्ड लाई बढी प्राथमिकता दिएको छ रिटन साउन्ड लाई भन्दा। ओके, नंबर बी, language symbols are arbitrary. The same thing or object is denoted by various names by the speaker of different languages. There is no any natural correlation between linguistic signals and the object or concept they refer to. For example, a dog is called kukur in Nepali, kutta in Hindi, and swan in Sanskrit language. Okay? यो ल्याङ्ग्वेज को कुरा गर्दा ल्याङ्ग्वेज को कुनै पनि अब्जेक्ट सँग 1-to-1 रिलेसन भए जस्तो देखिदैन, किनकि कुकुर, स्वान, कुत्ता अलग अलग छ। 1-to-1 रिलेसन भन्दा कन्फ्युज नहुनी फेरि कुनै ट्राफिक सिम्बलहरुमा दाहिने साइडमा एरो देब्रे साइडमा एरो देखिन्छ नि त्यसपछि आफै बुझिन्छ हेर्दा बित्तिकै यो दाहिने जाने कि देब्रे जाने भनेर साइडले लेफ्ट राइट त्यस्तोलाई 1-to-1 रिलेसन भनिन्छ तर त्यस्तो रिलेसन ल्याङ्ग्वेजमा देखिदैन भन्न खोजेको There is no fixed word for the same thing. Human beings use different words in different languages. Okay? Language is a system of systems. Systematic sounds of speech sounds or vocal sounds express emotion, thought, opinion, or there are rules of organization of sounds and symbols. Okay? Each language has its rule and system. Each finite number of rules or symbols is used to express infinite number of sentences. Each language has its labels such as phonology, morphology, syntax, and semantics. Thus, language is viewed to be a whole system that includes other subsystems. Next feature, language is a means of communication. Okay? It is a means of communication. It is primarily used to express opinion, thought, feeling, emotion, and desire. Linguistic symbols are the primary means of communication. Through linguistic symbols, we express our knowledge, experience, and feeling which are intended to be conveyed to the receivers. We can transfer them from one generation to another through the written symbols. Okay? Language भनेको means of communication हो सञ्चारको माध्यम हो एक जनरेसनबाट अर्को जनरेसनमा एक व्यक्तिबाट अर्को व्यक्तिमा पनि के गर्न सकिन्छ समाचारलाई सञ्चार गरेर पुर्याउन सकिन्छ त्यसैले यसलाई के भनियो language is a means of communication. Okay, next feature, language is a social phenomenon. It happens in society. Language is the common possession of the who share the common code of communication. It constitutes a set of behavior pattern common to the member of the given society. Anthropologists opine that language is a part of a culture. It is sure that language and people who speak it are very closely related spiritually and culturally. A language exists if it has its native speakers and users. Through language, each community members establishes a lively relationship with other members of the same speech community. Duality of patterning. Duality भनेको double system. Duality refers to two simultaneous levels or layers of language. It is the property of having two levels of structure. The unit of primary levels are composed of the elements of second level and each of two levels that has its own principle of organization. Lower level elements are meaningless, whereas the higher level elements are meaningful. Okay? For instance, individual phonemes do not have any meaning, but their combination certainly owns a meaning. For example, there is a word pat, and if you individualize the word, thus the individual sound P, A, and T are meaningless. Okay, but their combination is pat, apt, and tap are meaningful. Pa or ta, another structure, apt, pat, another level. Okay, certain sounds of a language are used in various organizations to convey various meanings. Thus, it can be said that duality is a defining feature of human language. Okay. Next, 14, 15. Okay. This. Creativity or productivity. Human language enables its user to produce and understand its sentences even if they have never said or heard them before. The property of creativity or productivity refers to the ability to produce and understand an infinite number of sentences. Someone speaking to native speakers of English language can produce the type of sentences which he or she has never experienced earlier in his life. He or she can produce novel sentences having every content. Every language has finite set of rules. These rules can be combined to produce longer and longer sentences. Okay? एउटा रुलबाट थोरै स्ट्रक्चरबाट सेन्टेन्सलाई लामो लामो बनाउँदै जति पनि लामो बनाउन सकिन्छ यो भनेको क्रिएटिभिटी हो. फर एक्जाम्पल, I met a man who beat the boy who loved the girl who was in black sari which she had received from her mom who had brought it from the shopkeeper who. अब यसलाई जति पनि लम्ब्याउन सकिन्छ. ओके. अनदर फिचर डिस्प्लेसमेन्ट. डिस्प्लेसमेन्ट भनेको एउटा कुरोलाई के गर्ने भने एउटा कुरोलाई अर्को सिचुएसनमा पनि बदलेर कुरा गर्न सक्ने. फर एक्जाम्पल इज अल्सो गिभन. ह्युमन बिङ्स क्यान टक अबाउट पास्ट, प्रेजेन्ट एन्ड फ्युचर. भर्खरै पास्टको कुरा गरेछ, भर्खरै फ्युचरको कुरा गर्छ. त्यो मान्छेले ल्याङ्ग्वेज जुन कुरा सम्भव छ, जुन कुरा एनिमल कम्युनिकेसनमा पोसिबल छैन. They can also talk about unseen places, things or abstract notion. A message is displaced if it is used to refer to the context removed from the time and space of its transmission. Verbal displacement refers to the movement of or shift or transposition. Okay. For example, I used to dance when I was in India as a small boy. सानो छँदा इन्डियामा नाच्ने, तर अहिले म इन्डियामा पनि छैन. यस्तो घुमाउरो कुरा, पास्ट प्रेजेन्ट सबै कुराहरू भन्न कम्युनिकेसन, एनिमल कम्युनिकेसनमा गाह्रै पर्छ. This type of expression cannot be found in other type of animal communication. Okay, and the next feature of language is cultural transmission. भनेको संस्कृतिको एक जेनेरेसनबाट अर्को जेनेरेसनमा पास गर्नु. Cultural transmission is a defining property of human language whereby the ability to speak a language is transmitted from generation to generation by a process of learning and not genetically. यो जेनेटिकल्ली पास भएको हुँदैन. कल्चरहरू यो वंशानुगत रूपमा भन्दा पनि सिकेर गर्ने कुरा हो. They acquire it through their language culture to which they are during their acquisition period. यो जुन समाजमा बसेको छ त्यही समाजमा ल्याङ्ग्वेज भाषा आर्जन गर्ने क्रममा त्यो कुरा सिकिएको हुन्छ र अरूले पनि त्यही सिक्दै जाने हुन्छ. त्यसरी ट्रान्सफर हुँदै जान्छ. तर यो एनिमल कम्युनिकेसनमा जस्तो जेनेटिक अर्थात् पैतृक गुणले आएको कुरा होइन. ल्याङ्ग्वेज भनेको पैतृक गुणले आएको होइन, यो कल्चरले आएको कुरा हो. If a newborn baby is kept in isolation, If a newly born baby is kept in isolation, he or she speak a single word of a language. A child learns the language in which language culture he or she is exposed to. Okay, in this way, I have presented some features of language under the title Features of Language, and this I am going to end the video. Okay, if you like my video, please do like and subscribe. Thank you very much.